Puddle the Penguin's perfect pancake party. Puddle the Penguin loved pancakes. Fluffy, golden, and drizzled with honey. So when he decided to throw a pancake party for his friends, he wanted everything to be just right. First, Puddle made a plan. I'll wake up early, eat a healthy breakfast, and start cooking, he chirped. His mom reminded him, early to bed means early to rise. So Puddle snuggled into his nest right on time, dreaming of flipping perfect pancakes. The next morning, Puddle woke up with a stretch. Discipline first, he said, tidying his room before heading to the kitchen. He washed his flippers, chopped fresh berries, and measured the flour carefully. Whisk, whisk, sizzle, soon. A tower of delicious pancakes was ready. But where were his friends? Puddle checked the clock. Oh no! He'd forgotten to tell them the party started promptly at noon. He waddled quickly to invite them. Punctuality is important, Puddle reminded everyone. His friends nodded, and soon, the party was full of laughter. They ate pancakes, with extra berries for health, played games, and even helped clean up. As the sun set, Puddle yawned. Time for bed. We'll have more fun tomorrow if we're well rested. His friends agreed, waving goodbye. That night, Puddle smiled. His party was perfect because good habits made it so. The end. Penguin pancakes sparkles. Word count 300.